During these times of COVID, medical education has become dependent on slide presentations more than ever, as the majority of teaching is now done remotely via various video communication platforms. Because of this, the importance of creating effective and engaging presentations has become ever more vital and can simply be achieved by incorporating basic graphic design techniques. In a study published in the Association for the Study of Medical Education, showed that there was a statistically significant improvement in the retention of knowledge in lectures created with design principles than without. So this has led me and a team from the HLA to develop a workshop to deliver to medical educators, teaching them about basic graphic design principles. So far, we have created a set of design principles that we have found to be most important to be aware of. These design principles are derived from Gestalt psychology, typography, and color theory, and highlight the importance of design techniques as well as common design mistakes to be aware of. In this quick demonstration, you can see slides created without using design principles. And now this is the same presentation with graphic design techniques and principles applied. As you can see, this presentation is far more engaging and hence will improve an audience's retention of knowledge. These design principles will be intuitive to use, hence from this workshop, participants will be easily able to incorporate these principles into a presentation with little practice. This will allow participants to be confident in creating sleek and impactful presentations, which will enhance the delivery of medical education.